Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy ShivHax here, back with another video, and today we're unboxing this HydraQuad hybrid air to water stunt drone, which may sound pretty new because this product actually came like 1 month ago and I finally got my hands onto this. So this is a 3-in-1 stunt drone which can fly like a drone, run like an RC car, and swim like a RC boat. Sounds interesting, right? So let's open this bad boy and let's see, is this a god or a fraud? So let's get started. So this is what come out of the box. So the controller, the drone, and the package, which I'm gonna open this. So out of the bag we have this. So we have the charging cable, of course, to charge this, and then we have 4 extra propellers, you can see right here. Very nice design. Then this is the battery for the drone. So this is a 3.7 volt 800 mAh battery, and also we have these 3 manuals. One is in English, one is in Spanish, and I don't know what else. So 3 different languages, and that's basically it out of the bag. So this is our HydraQuad, and now if you look at this design, yes, it's pretty impressive now how they have put this together. So you can see 4 spinning blades for a drone, and then yeah, on the back you can see this is the motherboard. And when I first saw this, I was like, hey, will it get wet? Will the parts will get like something? But if you see closely, you can see there is a covering layer on top, like a glue or plastic layer on top, so it will protect the motherboard. So pretty impressive. It has an aerodynamic style so that it gets much of its lift. Now this is our remote control. Now you can see it is quite slick. It has a nice design, which I can say, and these green switches. Now the throttle of this, we just need to pull this up and it stays up there. Quite nice. And then these are the 3 modes on the bottom. So the first one, this is the air mode, which is the drone flying mode. Then this is the ground mode, and this is the water mode as it shows on the direction. And over here, this is the stunt mode, and this is the turbo mode. Then on the back side, there's the battery case, which it includes 3 AAA batteries, which is not included. And now let's turn it on. So then you just need to plug this in, right? And then this makes a beep when it's automatically connected. And then you just need to put this up, then down, and boom, you're ready to fly. Now it's connected. Now let's fly this.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Bruh.
So this is our HydraQuad. Now let's fly this. So we're gonna do the drone mode, and now let's test this out. So wow, so it did gain some height. So this is not a bad thing. Now let's test it on ground. So ground mode, and putting this down, and now let's go for it. Ooh, 360 stunt roll. Wow, it's going super duper fast, and there are actually no wheels on this. It is actually using its blades. Some rolls. Nice. So now on this you have the stunt mode. If you put the throttle up, it goes, right? And then press this, it'll do some 360 rolls like this. is all about the HydraQuad 3-in-1 hybrid air to water stunt drone. And as you can see with the footage, it flew really well, it drove really well, and it swam really well. So because of this, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 on durability, performance, and didn't malfunction, and it didn't do any stunt rolls incorrectly. So I would consider you guys buying this, and I will have the link for that in the description box below. And if you want to see more videos like these, then give it a like and also subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya and enjoy your new HydraQuad. And there is no revert. To keep holding this, hold, and then click.